The wisdom of Allah that every people aligns with the place they fall in this world. The Somalis, who landed on the eastern horn of this resource-rich continent, have witnessed overlapping histories. The modern era has divided them into separate parts. The southern Somali territory, which was colonized by the Italians, 1889 to 1941, went through different stages, sometimes shining among the nations of the world, and other times collapsing on the brink of death. The northern Somalis, who hosted the British colonial authority of that time, inherited scars that forever distanced them from their own kin. Meanwhile, the British colonial rule melted into the culture and society of the land it occupied. Djibouti, which fell under the French, was the most unfortunate, colonized by what is known as the worst colonial power of all the white colonizers to arrive on the continent. The French, known for destroying languages, cultures, and systems in the countries they colonized, put Djibouti through the same infamous path. The western Somali region, which again came under British control, inherited the worst kind of colonial legacy. Ogadenia was sold to its historic enemy, Ethiopia, turning the region into another occupied land, no different from Palestine or Kashmir. The northeastern land, famously known as NFD, was not spared either from the treacherous deals of the British. NFD was handed over to Kenya, a country with which Somalis had no historical or ethnic connection. The land of Greater Somalia, which Allah blessed with vast land and resources both on land and sea, could have made Somalis one of the wealthiest and most powerful peoples in Africa and the world. But the fragmentation caused by colonialism has led to division, collapse, and separation across the Somali territories. The total number of Somalis is uncertain, but according to estimates, the south is said to have 17 million Somalis. Western Somalia, Ogadenia, is home to over 7 million. Northern Somalia,
Somaliland, is estimated at close to 5 million. Djibouti is said to have about 600,000 Somalis. NFD, northeastern Kenya, is said to have 2.7 million Somalis. Altogether, the total number of Somalis living in Somali-inhabited lands is approaching 40 million. Our large population and resource-rich land have attracted conflicts and countless enemies, while the Somalis, who share the same origin, have settled into lives shaped by colonialism, poverty, wars, and divisions.